Welcome to another video. This one will show you how to publish survey using a link and push to Salesforce. So I've got an existing survey here that I created, and it's just a company satisfaction survey. It's got multiple questions, and now I'm going to show you how to publish this using a link. So when you click on publish, you will have an option called link. And if you click next, all it's going to do is create a distribution, but you have to add a comment in order for that distribution to be created, because if you try and do it, it won't let you. So for me, this one will be called, I'll call this one demo employee satisfaction survey, like that, and we'll create it. And now once it's created, you will get a URL that you can share in social media if you want, or you can just send it via an email in Salesforce. It's really up to you. But here's what happens. So if I go into my Salesforce here, you can see we've created our survey, and this is the URL. Okay, and you can see there are 7 questions, and then in the related, anybody who's taken that survey, you will get those records built underneath it. So these are our questions, as you can see, like this. And now let's run that survey ourselves. So I will go in there and let's start. All right, company satisfaction survey. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly fill this up. Excellent. We'll use this. Go next. Next. Click submit, and it's done. Now, in here, what you'll find is if I click on survey taken, this is our new response that's just come in. And as you can see, all the data is here as well as in the survey question responses. This is our tracking that has just been done. And if you click on any of these responses, you can see that there's your question type, there is your response. And if you go back a second and choose like another different question, you can see that there's your survey question, and this is the value that we've pulled in based on the survey we just created. So all of the work is essentially done for you. You don't have to do anything other than just install the package. So that's one of the responses. If I now go ahead and take it again, because obviously I've got access to the URL, so we'll paste it in here and we'll go again. This time I'll choose different responses, but just to show you what happens if another person takes it. Click start. We'll choose bad. We'll choose this one. And then star rating, we'll give it 1. And click submit. Now if I go back to Salesforce and I just refresh this and I go back, you can see that number of completion now equals 2. If I go into the response, go to the related, you can see the questions have come in again. But if I go back to the survey here, this is our survey, and I look at the related, and everything is coming in nicely. And you can see this is our distribution here, and even for the distribution you can have a look at the taker. Because I was the one who took the survey again, it actually just, in an essence, it's actually pulled in the result that I've done. And because I've taken it again, it's also pulled in the responses again here. So that's pretty much how you do it. And then if another separate entity takes it, we'll obviously add it as a new response into your Salesforce. So as you can see, the star rating that I chose 1 is all in here. And that's the link URL for you. As I said, you can also share it using social media, etc. But most of the work is done, and this is how you do it.